guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla
and Chocolate.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be making yogurt dumplings.
It's very easy to make it. It's gonna take about 5 minutes or even less, and it's good for children if you have children, of course. This is the sweet version.
What's going to be in here is vanilla yogurt, like you said, the sweet version. If you want the savory version, you can just do plain yogurt. We have flour, some ground cinnamon, butter, and an egg.
I have 1 cup of yogurt. If you wanna make it double, you can double everything, of course.
Yeah.
The next step, you put an egg in it. And we have about 1.5 cups of flour. But that doesn't mean we're gonna use everything. We're just gonna maybe start with half of it.
So we're using some new pots today. Our aunt, she got it for us for our anniversary. So thanks, Nana. She doesn't have the internet, but thank you. Shout out to Nana.
Okay, so right now, this is a consistency. It could be more liquidy, but this is fine too. If it's less liquidy, then the dumpling is gonna be super soft, almost like melting in your mouth. But with this consistency, they're gonna be a little bit harder, but still soft. If you feel like, for example, if you want them more soft, you just have to add more yogurt, and if you want more them hard, you add more flour. So that's why I don't tell you exactly how much flour you have to use. You can add slowly, like spoon by spoon, mix it, then add another spoon, mix it, and then you will see how is your consistency. And of course you have to mix it very well. Yeah, we're using salad bowl because it's like you can see very well. Normally I would use different bowl for that. And we used vanilla yogurt because my wife chocolate, she loves vanilla and I love chocolate, but they didn't have chocolate yogurt, so
Ah, too cute.
This we're gonna cut for sure.
Okay. So the water, we're waiting for water to start boiling. And once the water starts boil, we're gonna melt the butter, which is gonna go on top of dumplings. So I'm gonna start melting butter in this small pan here.
It's gonna be nice. So you're gonna pour that at the end, right?
Yeah, this is gonna go on top of dumplings. So like you see, it's super easy. You just need basically yogurt with flour, and that's it. Later on top you can add sugar if you want, but I think that vanilla yogurt is already sweet, so we don't need sugar, we just need cinnamon and butter on it. I don't know, maybe children like more sugar.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, nowadays nobody wants too much sugar.
But for the savory one, you could use plain yogurt and you can put vegetables on it, meat, mushrooms, whatever.
Yeah, you can use it also like with a soup if you want to have nice soft dumpling in the soup. Yeah, there's so many ways you could use it for. If you do it with plain yogurt, then you have to add maybe half a small spoon of salt. And we're gonna add salt, of course, to the water, just so the dumplings don't stick together. Yeah.
So now this is ready. And the water's boiling, and now we can start.
If you wanna make small dumplings, you just use small teaspoon. And the first thing I would do is...
You can dip the spoon in the water so it doesn't stick.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then you form dumplings. And you just put it to the pot. And they should just slide off from your spoon.
Oh wow, that looks so cool. Yeah, this is the first sweet treat that you made, huh? Since we've been doing this.
Yeah, I think so.
It's good for breakfast or any time of the day. Breakfast, dessert.
Snack.
Yeah.
It's not like super sweet, it's just, you know, vanilla yogurt. Right now there's no more room in the pot, so we're gonna make the rest later.
Ooh, look at that. They are coming up. Awesome.
This single burner is a little bit slow. It doesn't work like regular stove, so we had to wait a little bit longer. But from the moment the dumplings come up to the surface, you have to cook for another 2 minutes, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes, and dumplings should be ready. Even though I used a small spoon, I was putting too much yogurt on the small spoon, so they kind of came up quite big. But that's fine, you know, you can make them smaller, of course. It's up to you. Either way, you're gonna eat them, you know. I'm gonna swallow them.
Swallow them whole?
Yeah. No, they are really soft, like very, very soft. Not like regular noodles. 2 minutes passed, and now we're gonna put it on the plate. Normally I would drain it, but I need water because we have more to do, so I'm just gonna pick it up single by single. See, they almost fall apart. That's how soft they are.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Down they go.
I said I'm not gonna use sugar, but just, you know, for presentation, you know, I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of sugar. We have brown sugar today. I think this should be enough, right?
Yeah, just add a little. There we go. Yes, perfect. Yep.
And now we have malted butter. So just gonna put it on the dumplings.
Very good.
And the last step.
Last but not least, cinnamon.
If you like cinnamon, of course.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Nice.
now we are at the point where we have to try it.
Yep, thank you.
Let's see.
Okay, which one do you want to try?
Doesn't matter, baby.
Doesn't matter?
Okay, let's do it.
Alright. There we go.
To this one. Okay, this is messy, so we have to be like this.
Okay.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Mm.
Oh, wow. Mmm.
Like I said, they almost melt in your mouth, right?
Exactly.
I think that, yeah, like I said, this is a perfect snack for children.
Yeah.
If you have children, I mean, come on, if you don't, you're gonna love it too.
It's actually not super sweet. It's like the right amount of sweetness, you know. It's very light.
Actually,
basically.
yeah, it's
very
like,
light.
I don't even, yeah, it's
Taste,
like,
yeah.
like yogurt, you know?
Exactly.
That's why maybe, yeah, if you like more sweet taste, you add more sugar on top. And the butter, you know?
Oh,
I
yeah.
love the taste
Yeah.
of butter on it.
Very yummy.
Mm.
He
Well,
did it again. He did it again. He is so talented.
come on. No. Everybody can cook, right?
It's simple. You just have to want to cook, that's all.
Mm.
Yeah, and don't be afraid to experiment, like I always say. You know, mix food. You can do whatever you like. You could even add like almonds or fruits inside the dumplings, and then you cook it like that. So there is so many possibilities. Just try it. Don't give up.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that red button right there and subscribe, and you can also click the ring so you'll get a notification when there's a new video up. Thanks guys. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.